Every time you download a file in Google Chrome, it disappears somewhere in your computer. Today, I will show you how to change your Google Chrome download location in less than 1 minute so all your files go exactly where you want. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hello Helper. And today, I will show you step by step process to change location of your downloaded files. So keep watching. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open Google Chrome. So here in taskbar, you can see the Google Chrome. You can simply click on it, or you can simply search Google Chrome here. Simply click on this Google Chrome browser, and here you will see my Google Chrome browser is open now. Now we are going to open settings page. So what we will do, simply click on this three dot icon and then click settings. So friend, now my settings page is open now, and we are going to find out the download section. Okay, so friend, here you will see the left side option which is available downloads. You simply click on it and your downloads page will open. Okay, so friend, here you will see the location of download which is available over here. We want to change this location from one drive to another drive. Okay, so what we will do, simply click on this change button, and for example, if you have many drives, for example, I have this drive and we want to click over here. Okay, and now we create one folder that is called download, like this. Download all files. For example, this folder and directory I have created over here in this drive. Then select that folder, then click on select folder. So what happened, your location will change. So friend, by this way you can easily change your download location in Google Chrome. So I hope friend you like this video. If you like this video, then click on like button, share with your friends and family, and also what things you like into this video, please comment me below, so that will motivate me to make more videos like this. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.